First construction, SSS congruence. All right. Pointy side on A, pencil side on B, move the pointy side to D, make an arc. Call that point E. Pointy side on B, pencil side on C, make an arc. Pointy side on A, pencil side on C, pointy side on D, make an arc. Crosses the other arc where they cross. That's your third point F. Connect the dots. There you have it. Congruent triangle. All right. Now we're going to focus on second construction. GHI using SAS congruence. All right, starts off the same way. Measure AB. Okay, put the pointy side on G, make an arc. That's point H. See, you did like a side, see that? Now you gotta go for an angle. So you come up here, this is the angle construction, put the pointy side on B, make an arc that goes through both sides of the angle. So it's one side of the angle, and there's the other side of the angle. Mark those 2 points of intersection very clearly. Now come down and do the exact same thing here. Put the pointy side on H, which is like B. Make the same exact shape arc. It'll go through this side. It won't have another side to go through, but still make it look exactly like it did up there. Great. Now you come back up here, put 1 point on the first intersection, the pencil side on the other intersection point. Lock in that length, come over here. That's the same intersection as this one right here. And make an arc. Oh, sorry, you couldn't see that. This intersection point here is the same as the intersection point up there. Make an arc. Where they intersect, creates a point. You want to then extend that line, creating the other side of the angle, right? Every angle has two sides. And now you got this angle here. So now you got to guess the third side. So that's easy. Just go back up here, put the pointy side on B, pencil side on C. Okay, pointy side on A. Create an arc. Where you created that arc, that'll be I. Now connect the dots between G and I. Boom, once again you have a congruent triangle. This time you used SAS. Right? Because we had SSS, SAS congruence. Now we're going to switch over and look at, looks like we're going to do similar triangle with a scale factor of 2 using projection. So you'll notice right here is a point of projection. This is where this is like the sun that's shooting out its rays. So you want to go from the projection point through each of the 3 vertex. So start with vertex A. All right. You want to extend the line. You can't really overextend it. Okay, then you want to go from the projection point through B. Again, you really can't overextend it, just under. All right, and then through point C. Again, you can't really overextend it. In fact, you can easily underextend that one because that one's so stinking long. See, I'll make it longer. Good. Great, now you have these 3 lines emanating. All you've got to do now is double the length of each measure from the point of projection to a vertex. So projection point to A, now double the length by making an arc right here. That's A prime. Okay. Projection point to B, double that length, make a little arc right there. That's going to be B prime. Projection point to C, and you're going to double that length. Yep, sorry, right there. And then that's going to be C prime. Now all that's left to do is connect A prime to B prime to C prime. Connect the dots, not hard. A prime to B prime, B prime to C prime, and A prime to C prime. All right, so we started off with this triangle right here, and I got twice the length sides triangle here. A prime, B prime, C prime. Good. The last thing we're going to do is we are going, here, let me borrow from this one so it's a little cleaner to see what's going on. This will make it easier on you. Okay. All right, let's borrow this little triangle right here. Good. Last thing we're going to do is construct a triangle whose sides are twice as long like we did before, but now instead of using projection, we're going to use angle-angle similarity. Angle-angle similarity, okay. Now, because we're going to use a scale factor that's defined, a very defined scale factor, we also have to take into consideration side length, even though that's not part of angle-angle. This is just so we can get a specific doubling of length for a similarity. Okay, so here's what we do. Put the pointy side on A, pencil side on B. Pointy side on J, pencil side, make an arc. But you want twice as long, so put the pencil side where this intersection is and make a second arc. That is going to be K right there. Okay, look, AB, and this is twice AB, so now you're twice as long. Now you get to use this idea of AA similarity, AA similarity, so let's give that a shot. AA similarity means you're going to construct two angles. Which two angles? Angle B and angle A. So how do we do this? Put the pointy side on B, create an arc here. All right, so we have an arc. Mark those 2 points of intersection. Create the same arc for K, because K is the same as B, right? You're like, what is this supposed to look like? Exactly like the arc above looked. Just copy it, what it looked like above. See? All right. Mark this point right here. Okay. Now you come back. Pointy side on one intersection point, pencil side on the other intersection point. Pointy side here, because that intersection point is the same as this one. Create an arc. That creates a point. Now you just play connect the dots. Great. So now we have created one angle, right? So the angle-angle similarity, that's one angle. Now we just need the second angle. Which angle? This angle A, okay? So you're gonna repeat the process. Now, I could jam it like up here, that's fine. Or I could even come down closer. I could even go over here, it really wouldn't matter. I'll just make it easier for you to see. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this angle right here. All right, 2 intersection points. Come down to J, create the same exact angle that you saw above. Same exact arc you saw above. Sorry. Same exact arc you saw above. Just like that. It's okay if it's longer, but don't make it shorter. There's that intersection point. All right. Mark out the point to the pencil point. This is the equivalent intersection point right here. Mark out a arc where the 2 arcs intersect. That's another point on that line. Play connect the dots now. You're gonna go from J through there and just keep going. Okay, I'm gonna extend this a little bit. Yep, and where they come together down here, where they come together down here, the JK, this is L. Okay. Great. So you got We just copied two angles, one angle, two angles, right? So that's your angle symbol already. All right, that's it.